How are you doing, guys? So today is a big day for me because I'm going to collect my new car. I'm gonna say this is probably one of the best days of my life, or at least one of the most memorable. Definitely a milestone for me and everything I've kind of been working towards for the past 7-8 years since I started my own business. I mean, especially the past like 3 or 4 years since like COVID, really. Like since we got out of COVID, I've just been so like locked in with work, and it's just been my complete focus day in and day out. So this is like me just treating myself for my hard work basically. But it doesn't stop here. The grind continues. Right, so here she is. So this is an Audi A5 S-Line first edition. Tell you what, this car has been amazing. I've not had a single problem with it. You have been a noble steed. But time to upgrade. Sad to see you go. But unfortunately, you just don't. You're just not doing it for us anymore. You know what I mean? We need a little bit of power. I mean, I couldn't recommend Audi A5s enough. I love it. I love this car. It's been amazing. Loads of people have complimented the colour. So, yeah, it's sad. It's sad that I'm moving on. But I'm glad I held on to it for the 4 years because I've ended up having a bit of like equity in it. So I've been able to like, obviously, use that to put towards the deposit of my new car. It's pretty much like the top spec without having like the engine basically. So it's not like an S5, it's not like an RS5, but it looks like one. It's got all the trimmings but just doesn't have the power or the fuel consumption or the price tag. So that was kind of why I went for this in the first place. I am really like tight with my money as well. Like I've always been a saver, like ever since I was young I've always been a saver. So me getting a new car that's quite a bit more expensive has been giving us like mad anxiety. Like obviously I'm going to collect the car today. I'm like really excited but also really nervous. So I've not even ate the day. And it's like 4 o'clock. So no, it's not, it's 3 o'clock. But yeah, you know, I thought time to spend a little bit of money. Things are going well. And what's the point in working hard if you're not going to treat yourself? And if anything, this is just going to make me work harder. So right, it's been an absolute pleasure, mate. I hope your next owner treats you as well as I did. Private reg is off, ready to go on the new whip. Well, not this one because this is minging, but are you excited for us, Lewis? Hiya, you alright?
Nice to see you again, you alright?
Yeah, you too.
Wonderful.
Not filming you, I'm filming myself. Oh, don't worry, you're not in it.
Good.
I'm filming collecting my car.
Who are you here for, sweetheart?
James.
James, fantastic. Sam.
Sam, yeah.
Do you want a coffee?
Just a water, please. Do you want a coffee?
Yeah, water, please.
2 waters. Thank you.
Where are you from? Lovely accent. Is that Newcastle?
Who, me? Yeah, Geordie.
Geordie.
Yeah.
My daughter's boyfriend, he's that way, but he's a Mackham.
It's
Oh, you're
ugh.
dirty with.
No worries. I can see he's over there in a meeting, I think. What's the chances of us getting some of them Porsche glasses for free, like?
Well, you can speak to Jim Bob.
I will.
Speak to Jim Bob.
This is my car.
Got your aftercare kit, some little goodies for you there.
Porsche goodies.
Yeah. This what that means. You've got 2 glasses.
Got glasses.
And then you've got obviously, wouldn't be a Porsche without a keyring. So yeah.
Oh, class.
Silly sick.
Proper bloke now.
So yeah. Carbon corner triangles.
Oh yeah, it's that. Bit like alpha racing. I was gonna ask you, is that what the fuel is?
Yeah. So you part it, put that in there.
Yeah.
Keep it on.
Guess I've got to use the premium stuff now.
Well, you can use regular, but yeah, it's probably best to go premium.
Alternate.
Time and date there. We always recommend coming back to do what we call a masterclass.
Yeah. Did I get the
That's for the
alloy and tyre?
Yeah, that's on the 0%, isn't it?
Yeah.
So sign and date that one. Ali's.
It's been an experience. I appreciate it. Yeah. This is what I'll be popping to Tesco in. I'll be going to Tesco in this 911.
But you can't drop a Tesco in this, you gotta go M&S or nothing.
Yeah. Weight rolls.
Yeah.
That's the thing, like, you don't need more than the standard Carrera, like, do you? Because it still sounds unbelievable, like. I'm more concerned about everyone else on the road now than me. You know what I mean? Like, I'm looking at people going, careful of my car, you. Damn. Oh, that is sick.
Not bad, eh?
Right, so I'm just going to give you a little run through the interior of the car. Bear with us because I'm not like a car review guy. So there's a lot of stuff in there that I actually don't know what I don't know what anything does, to be fair. I'm going back to Porsche next week and they're going to like run us through everything to do with the car. Porsche Masterclass. Pretty cool. Right, so this is the steering wheel, believe it or not. So you've got this little, what would you call this? What's this mechanism?
A toggle?
A toggle. Got this little thing here anyways, which is to change from your normal into sport mode, and there's wet as well, which is for wet conditions. And
Oh, jeez.
pretty cool. This is the sports exhaust. So that's sports exhaust off, and then when you turn it on, it basically like opens a valve or some shit and it makes more of a noise. So that'll be on all the time, to be fair. This is like, this hardens your suspension. So if you're like absolutely ragging it around a track, that's what it's for. Right, and then this here is for the sunroof. So this gets rid of whatever that's called. Sunroof cover, maybe. And then that one puts the sunroof back. It's a good sunroof, isn't it? Very cool. Yeah, I know you've got to pay extra to have the Porsche logo on your leather seats. So, can't wait to get some selfies and get that in the back. Yeah, it's got adaptive cruise control. Do you know what adaptive cruise control is?
Well, you told me, but tell me again.
So adaptive cruise control, say if you set it to 75 mile an hour, and then once you start to get behind the car, it'll automatically slow down to keep you a certain distance from the car, and then when the car pulls away, it'll then speed you up to 75 mile an hour. So if you've ever been on cruise control, it's really annoying when you've got to keep stopping when you're behind someone and then resetting the cruise control. Whereas the adaptive cruise control, you just leave it and it just does its thing.
Technology is mad, isn't it?
Crazy, mate. Heated seats. Boring, don't know what I'm talking about. Boom. So you can change through every single one of these. Tyre pressure, nice. That's quite cool. Yeah. Oh, one more thing to show you is, come on, yeah. So it's got the, when you open the door, it's got the Porsche. That's get a bit of a cleaner spot. It's got the Porsche light. That looks pretty sick, doesn't it? I think that's...
Anything specific with the seats?
Yeah, just full leather seats. Fuck knows, I don't know.
Sport? They hug?
Yeah, sports, I don't know. Mate, I can't talk too much about it because all the Porsche fanatics will start having a go at us because I don't know what I'm talking about. Right, I've bought a Porsche. I'm not a fucking Porsche nut. I just really wanted a Porsche, you know what I mean? I don't know everything about Porsches. Everyone's kicking off because they've got rid of the like little ignition switch that's there, and now they've got a start button. Like, I literally couldn't care less. But all the Porsche fanatics are going crazy about it. So you can extend and retract the spoiler, so if you hold that down, it'll like retract the spoiler, and then you can just like select it again and it'll just pop it back out. Actually, that's another thing. So it's got a heated steering wheel. Can you see on that?
Yeah.
It's got a heated steering wheel and like the buttons in here, like that. Heated steering wheel on. Heated steering wheel off. It's cool, isn't it? So yeah, that is my new car. What an absolute beauty. Naughty. Right, so hope you enjoyed this video and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.